Hello everyone, welcome to my channel VS Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful flower toran or a bhandnavar. For this we require artificial flowers, glue, pink pearls and cream color design pearls. So let's begin. First I have taken the golden lace and attached the canvas cloth to it to make it stiff. Then now I am going to attach the pink big flower at the border and surrounding light pink small flowers. I am cutting the end. Now I am marking the center so that I want to attach the big pink flower here and one more at the other end. So alternatively one light color row and another dark pink color row I am attaching the flowers in the diagonal manner. Three in a row. So repeat the process in the same manner until you cover the whole golden lace. So now I have attached all the flowers. So to make it more attractive, now I am going to attach the pearl strings to it. I am marking it so that it is equally distributed. 4 of cream color pearls and 2 pink pearls. Again 4 cream color pearls and 2 pink pearls. Now I am going to stitch here, marking equally, distributing the pearls throughout the toran. So repeat the process. For this toran I have attached 4 strings, 4 pearl strings, and in the center, to make it more attractive, I am going to attach one more string using pearls and flowers. Both the mixed flowers I am using, pearl and both the mixed flowers, and 4 pearls. Four pearls. Repeat the process to the other 3 strings also, same way. Now the flower toran is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.